Here in the Hamptons, luxury isn't only measured in square footage, it's also measured in acreage. And a property like this, 15 acres in Southampton Town, barely exists anymore. A rarity zoned for a horse academy, a designation that allows you to build not just a home, but a business, a brand, a legacy. Whether it's boarding, training, or a full-scale competitive equestrian operation, this property is already built to perform. A 15-stall barn with skylights in every stall. A 20,000 square foot indoor riding arena, fully insulated, light-filled, and built for year-round use. Outside, a 200 by 300 irrigated riding ring, plus a private viewing patio that turns training into an experience. With 17 paddocks, with this 2-acre irrigated field here behind me and these additional barns, this is simply a scale that's not offered much anymore. In a market where land is disappearing, properties like this become more than real estate. This becomes your asset, this becomes leverage, and this becomes your Hamptons legacy.